Sandia BMW is here to help you learn about the available engine of the 2023 BMW 3 Series, as well as its top speed, horsepower, and 0 to 60 time. This attractive compact executive car's available engine includes a 2-liter BMW TwinPower turbo 4-cylinder engine. Its top speed is 155 miles per hour. The horsepower of the 2023 3 Series is 255 HP for all models. And finally, the 0 to 60 time ranges from 5.4 to 5.6 seconds for the 2023 model year. To learn more about the 0 to 60 time, horsepower, top speed, and available engine of the 2023 BMW 3 Series in Albuquerque, visit us online or in person at Sandia BMW. Like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this. We look forward to serving you.